Hi, I'm Ashley from Makeup by Ashley. This is our Strike of the Silver Scowl Villager Makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start off with a bit of blush. You can do any colour blush. Being stage makeup, you need this to be bolder than what you would normally wear in public. Their faces are going to look more washed out under the lights of the stage or on film. This goes for any stage makeup. You're always going to take it darker than a normal look. So just use any blush on the apples of their cheeks and swipe up the cheekbone. Now I'm going to do her eyebrows. I'd stick with more natural colours to what their hair colouring is. Don't make them look strange. So here we're using a light brown, which is darker than her normal eyebrow, but it is enough that it's going to be seen off stage and on film. You can use an eyebrow pencil or just eyeshadow like I am here. You may have a brow palette. It's whatever you have, make use of what you've got. It's a great idea to do a run through of the makeup that you'll be doing on your child, just so you have an understanding on how quickly you can get it on, what products you need, and take a photo, have a play. The more times you practice, the quicker you'll be at getting the look down pat, nice and quick. You may choose to use foundation on their face, and that's completely fine. Make sure you use their colour that matches their face, and absolutely make sure you use a primer. They have sensitive skin and you don't want to be clogging it up so early with nasties. On this eyebrow, I'm going to be showing you an eyebrow pencil that I've gotten from our local pharmacy out here in Pittsworth. It's just a DB eyebrow pen. It actually recreates hair strokes, this particular one. They have many options. You can get all the different brow colours. These ones are nice and easy to put on, easy to take off, gentle on the skin. They have darker and lighter colours, whatever suits. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than the eyeshadow I've used, but still very effective. And I'm just going to use a little bit of my micellar water on a cotton pad to get off the little bit that I've got on her skin, because I do want to stick to her natural brow shape. I don't want to go too crazy. She is just a villager, so we just want her to look fresh and a little bit special with some extra makeup. Now I'm going to do her lips, so I'm going to lip line her whole lip. I will start with doing the outside lines just so I've got a shape to work with, and then I'm going to fill the whole of her lips with this lip pencil. It is long lasting and it'll stay in place when they're talking or singing, rather than a lipstick or a lip gloss that's going to come off. And if they're a boy who is a villager, they will feel that this is more like face paint rather than lipstick. So they're a bit more comfortable with putting it on. You can use a few different colours. I wouldn't suggest going too bold. Again, they're just a villager. We do just want them to have their features to look a bit more visible off stage, but still look natural as possible. So you could stick with the nude colours, light colours, stick to lip colours, nothing over the top. And it's really that simple. You may add a little bit of mascara if you want to. It's not necessary, but if that's something that you and your child want, go for it. Just have fun. Thanks for watching our villager tutorial.